Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you my life as a writer and take you on a journey through my experiences. As a writer, I have encountered numerous challenges and triumphs, seen from the unique perspective of being a woman. I am excited to share these stories with you. Make sure to check out the links I've included in the description below, where I've compiled some valuable resources that have assisted me. One of my proudest achievements is my book, Be Your Own Boss, so be sure to check out. In this detailed guide, I provide invaluable insights and advice on becoming an entrepreneur and taking charge of your professional life, essentially paving your path to become your own boss. In addition to Be Your Own Boss, I have also extended my writing passion into another enlightening book, Chronic Back Pain Management. This resourceful guide delves into the intricate details of pain, its potential triggers, and corresponding remedies. It introduces the reader to an array of personalized homeopathic remedies for managing chronic back pain. The ultimate goal of the book is to uplift the life quality of those who are struggling with this relentless pain. And here's something exciting. You can find Chronic Back Pain Management not only on Amazon but also on Barnes & Noble. Don't miss the chance to better understand and manage chronic pain. Lastly, I have a cookbook that I am thrilled to share with you, The Afghani Flavors. It epitomizes the profound legacy of Afghani cuisine. Filled with heavenly and keto-friendly recipes of Afghani dishes, it is an essential addition any food enthusiast's collection. Whether you're a culinary maestro or a beginner in the kitchen, The Afghani Flavors will kindle your inner chef to craft mouth-watering masterpieces. This gem, along with my other two books, can be found on Amazon and Barnes & Noble. Do not forget to check out the links in the description. I want to thank you for joining me on this journey and for your steadfast support. Your presence has made this journey more fruitful. Do remember to hit that subscribe button on my channel and activate the notification bell, ensuring you'll never miss out on any of my videos. There's so much more I'm enthusiastic to share with you, and I'm eagerly awaiting your presence on this thrilling expedition. Again, I can't stress enough, thank you.